Okay, I get it. You want a new car and a new house, but you can't do both right now at the same time. So which one should you tackle first, and which is the better investment? Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home team of Keller Williams, and these are conversations we have daily with our clients as they're looking through their goals to see if this is the right time financially to make one of the biggest investments of their life. So back to the example of buying a car versus a home. Well, a car is cheaper, it requires less effort, it delivers that intoxicating new car smell, but it's not always the best financial strategy. So if your heart says car and your head says home, here's a few talking points to process through. First, a new car's depreciation is about 20% after the first year and then continues to depreciate by around 10% every year after that. A home is expected to go up in value about 4% a year. In fact, currently the appreciation rate is a whopping 14.5%. Translation, buying a home is always a better investment. Second of all, the average US car payment is $577. No doubt this type of monthly payment will tie up a good chunk of your budget that could slow down or maybe stop altogether the ability to save for your down payment. Third, if you purchase your car first, there's a good chance that the real estate market could shift by the time you're ready to buy your home. Interest rates may be higher and it may no longer be a buyer's market or have shifted to a seller's market. So take all concepts of the current market into consideration before making a large purchase. Lastly, if you have a car payment and miss just one, it could damage your credit score and hurt your chances of qualifying for a loan. After all, none of us knows the future. 2020 definitely taught us that much. Now, one more thing, ask yourself this. Will what benefit you most 5 years from now? Driving around in a 5-year-old car or resting your head each night in a home you had planned for, saved for, and now are enjoying as your very own? If you'd like to chat about these next steps towards home ownership, send me a text. I'd love to get to know you, hear your story, and share how we can help however and whenever the right time is to reach your goals.